Okay, now the point is that how do you derive MRS from the marginal utility? Okay, now we have already seen in the earlier recording in which we said that the total differential of the utility, it could be written in the form of the marginal utilities in this way, that is du is equal to where your utility was dependent upon n goods, okay, your x1 through xn. So the total differential of this utility could be written as du is equal to del u by del x1 into dx1 plus del u by del x2 into dx2 plus del u by del x3 into dx3 and so on and so forth to del u by del xn into dxn. Okay, now suppose there are only two goods x and y. Okay, now that was the general kind of total differential. Now suppose there are only two goods x and y. Okay, now in that case, how would you write the total differential? It will be written in this way, that is du is equal to del u by del x into dx plus del u by del y into dy. Okay, but we know this, that what is del u by del x? Del u by del x is the marginal utility from the consumption of x. What is del u by del y? It is the marginal utility from the consumption of y. So you can write du is equal to mux into dx plus muy into dy. But the point is, along any indifference curve, utility is not changing. Okay, utility is held constant. What is du telling you? How is the utility changing? Okay, now along an indifference curve, utility is not changing, and hence du would be equal to 0. Okay, so our expression would become 0 is equal to mux into dx plus muy into dy. Okay, well, we also know this, that the slope of an indifference curve, which is given by minus dy by dx, this is nothing but marginal rate of substitution. Okay, so we have the expression which is mux into dx plus muy into dy is equal to 0. So writing it in the form of dy by dx, what is it that you will get is, and taking the minus sign along with minus your dy by dx, you'll be writing that minus dy by dx would be equal to mux upon muy, that is your del u by del x upon del u by del y. Okay, so MRS is equal to MRS, which is given by the slope of the negative slope of this indifference curve, is also equal to the ratio of the marginal utilities of the two goods consumed. Clear? So that marginal rate of substitution of x for y is equal to the ratio of marginal utility of x to the marginal utility of y. Okay, so well, this is the way you derive the MRS from the marginal utility. Thanks.